Three travelers are sitting by the fire and are about to eat a meal. The first one has 5 small loaves of bread. The second one has 3 small loaves of bread. The third one has no food but has 8 quarters. The third traveler offers to pay for some bread. They agree to share the loaves of bread equally among themselves, and the third traveler will pay all the quarters she has for her share of the loaves. How should the quarters be fairly divided between the travelers who have bread? Assume all the loaves are identical. Now, sometimes students say that 8 quarters should be divided in the ratio of 5 to 3. That's not correct. And we're going to soon see why that's not correct. Now, this problem can be solved algebraically or using basic knowledge of fractions and arithmetic, or you can do it visually. The visual solution seems to make a little more sense to me, and it's a little more intuitive. So let's take a look at the problem scenario first. So basically what we have here, let's use purple for our pencil because we have a lot of purple on this slide. So basically traveler A has 5 loaves and traveler B has 3 loaves. Now 8 loaves are to be shared among 3 people, so each person will get a fraction. Now that's fine, we can all work on that. However, we can play a little trick here. Since there are 3 travelers, if I divide each loaf into 3 pieces, I'm going to get 24 pieces or slices. I'm going to write slices here. 24 slices. That will help me avoid fractions. So since we have 3 travelers, so each loaf will be, let's erase all this, each loaf will be cut into 3 slices, and each person will get 8 slices. So basically I cut my loaves into 3 slices. Obviously it makes sense to say that A will have her 8 slices, so she will get all this. I'm going to write A here. B will get 8 slices from her share because she's not getting anything from A or from anyone else. And guess what happens to C? Traveler C should end up having 8 slices, and she does. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now traveler C gets 7 slices from A and 1 slice from B. So how should you divvy up the quarters? Of course, traveler A should get 7 quarters, and traveler B should only get 1 quarter because she didn't give traveler C a lot of bread. So let's erase all that and summarize our finding. So basically our answer is A should get 7 quarters. I'm going to write Q. And B should get 1 quarter. That's how the 8 quarters that traveler C has should be divided. That's our answer.